guys, I'm so sorry I didn't make it. Didn't know it. Maybe part 2 or part 4 or part 3. Stop laughing, Daddy. Stop it. And this is my Tubbo Squishy. It's so sad. All of the pom-pom and glitters out. But it's still squishy. And I did it for you. Get this on our Philippines. You can get this Tubbo Squishy. There's kinds of Tubbo Squishy. They have M&M's, the footprints of the cat. That's so. There's everything is so cute. But I have this to wait for me, okay? No, this I bought this too. It's really good. It's a soap. If you just splash it with water, it can be turned into soap. But I have a melody here. Wait. Here you can see that melody. It's a little bit worster, but if you just split it upside down, you can see a e-girl there, like 2 little glitters. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't mean to make something like part 4 or part 3. Let me know in the comments if you memorize that, guys. Okay, go back to my channel. You need to check it if said part 2. The part 2 is for part 3, part 2, and part 4 is for part 5. Oh, I understand. I didn't make part 5. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't mean to, but it's okay. Did you love my videos? There's lots of kids just watch my videos. It's 680 views and 2 views a little bit and 71 views. Guys, if you like my channel, just please subscribe. We are just saying. My dad here. Daddy, say hello.
Hi.
Here is my daddy. She's watching. She's watching something in the TV. Bye-bye. Bye.